This is my hopscotch created by Miguel. This piece of code explains that the controls. See, when I tap on the stage, it rotates 45 degrees. And when I tap on the object, it moves at a set speed to 400 and move distance 200. And this piece of code tells it to disappear when it gets close to Dino 1. This code tells it to disappear when it gets close, or get eaten when it gets close to Dino 2. This code is the same as the others, except it's about Dino 3. When Time Traveler gets close to Dino 3, he will disappear or get eaten. This is scale percent 0, so it doesn't happen again. It turns him very small while he's invisible, so he doesn't go again. And that's there. And this piece of code tells us that when space collides with Dino 4, he will disappear just like all the others. And this is the code for when he disappears with Dino, when he gets close to Dino 4. When he gets close to Dino 4. This code is that when he comes close to the word timeline, he will spin and spin while getting smaller and while disappearing or escaping into the timeline. This is the rest of the code to when he disappears and gets small with the timeline. And this is how Dino 1 is going to move. And this is basically the same for all the dinos. What Spaceball needs to do is avoid getting near them. This is the same as I did on Dino 1, except instead of rotating -90, it rotates 90 degrees. And this is the same as Dino 2. And now this is the instructions to saying that that to escape the dinos by entering the timeline. And I programmed this is to wait 2 seconds or 2,000 milliseconds and then disappear. This Dino 4 is I coded to do the same as Dino 3. This is the timeline, which basically he does the same as Spaceball does when they collide. When Spaceball collides with the time. This is the rest of the code.